Today I'm walking through a loss that occurred sometime in the last week. My client got back in town a couple days ago, came downstairs yesterday and found the carpets were wet. And now we're doing a quick little walkthrough. So far, every bit of drywall throughout the house, or the basement, has shown signs of moisture. We can see water rings in the baseboard here, which I haven't evaluated yet. But the walls here are wet right up to the electrical sockets, all the way around. I've already done a quick assessment with the thermal camera. Everything back here, foot high, wet. I mean, heck, I think we'll be taking the toilet out before we do anything else, because we've got the lines for radiant heat back here. Going around, everything is wet. You can see the water still underneath the vinyl base. The VLM that's been down has been down for under a year. We can see the flash patching is wet. Wet in the closet up to a foot high. Wet to the bottom of the second step. And yes, behind the wall is going to be wet as well. Fortunately, they have a good insurance company.